Hey guys, welcome to my noisy abode. So we're doing breakfast for a week, and I was gonna do leftover ham and egg muffins, but hubby ate ham. So we're gonna do chorizo and eggs and hash browns. So I took out some leftover hash browns I had in the freezer, and then some leftover hash browns I made the other day in the refrigerator. I'm gonna mix the two together. One were crispy, one weren't. One weren't. That's terrible English grammar. So I'm using half a tube of store-bought chorizo, and we're gonna start it out low and slow because there's a lot of grease that comes out of this. So I'm gonna render the fat out of it by cooking it slow, and then I'll put it in a mesh strainer and let it drain over a bowl while I do the eggs. So, and this has a lot of flavor. Chorizo will season up your food immensely. Mix it in some pinto beans, some refried beans. Delish. So we're gonna let that render down, and then we'll be back. Okay, so I'm going to put it in here. I'm gonna let that drain while I do the scrambled eggs. So I'm going to scramble some eggs, and then we'll mix this all together. So let me clean that skillet. Okay, so here we have 5 eggs. You hear noises, we have tree trimmers out there, so that's what that is. Turn that heat up. Doesn't look like anything happened when I poured them in there. So we'll just cook these up. So have any of you voted yet or done that early voting? I don't even know if we have that here. My husband heard about it and he said, well, where's that? I want to do it. I guess we're doing everything normal here. So different, let me tell you, from California, going from living there to living here. Yeah, I've been here for a while, but I still go home a lot. Not lately. I'd love to get my family out of there. It's terrible. I feel like I'm in a different country than them. That's how different it is. Okay, now we're cooking with some heat. I'm gonna get some cheese out. Mexican blend from when we had our potato tacos. Guess I should have kept stirring them, eh? Do you guys get fall allergies? I never dealt with allergies till I moved here. But it seems like they get worse with age. But from spring, now I have them in spring, summer, and fall. And with the beer virus, you don't want to sniffle or sneeze or cough because everybody's going to think you have the plague or something. Okay, so there's our eggs. I'm going to turn that off. Slide over here where it's not so hot. I have that in there. I'm going to daub the bottom off with a paper towel. See, we got all that fat out. Now, if we were in a situation where we needed calories, oops, I'm going to throw it everywhere, you would want that. Now, like I said, this is very strong flavored sausage, so you don't want a lot like you would a pork sausage or something. It can get overpowering. I mean, unless you are really into it. I like it a lot. But if you were doing like a dozen eggs, you'd want to use that whole tube. Okay, so now I'm going to add some potato. Now normally I would use a potato O'Brien with the bell pepper and onion and all that. And you can cut some of that up in there too. But I'm trying to use up what I already have. And I don't think I will need the other leftover potato. Maybe a little bit. I'm gonna add some cheese. Little hint, if you want to keep your dairy products, cheeses, sour cream, and everything last longer, never stick your hand in the bags when you get your shredded cheese out. And always use a clean utensil when using your sour cream. If it even touches your baked potato, get a new one. And that stuff will last way past its normal. I'm going to add a little more potato. Heck. Let's finish those off. Okay. There we go. Mix all that up. And like I said, you can add onion, bell pepper, whatever you like. I'm just throwing it everywhere. And then I'm going to roll these in tortillas, wrap them up, and he can heat and eat for breakfast. And then with these, he'll have the yogurt parfaits and the granola. He eats 2 meals and a snack, basically, during his time at work. And then at home, he eats dinner. So I'll be back and we'll start wrapping these up. Okay, so we're going to wrap and roll. see how many we get. Oh, he's gonna say that's too big. I think he likes them the size of like McDonald's breakfast taquitos or burritos or... He doesn't like a big fat breakfast burrito. There. That's better. I hope. I'm always happy when I can get more than a week's worth. And I don't have to do it again so fast. Because I cook every day, everything. Lunch is usually pretty easy. He takes the leftovers from dinner the night before, so that works out. And he can take some salsa that I canned and eat it with those. And he will be perfectly happy. That's an odd-shaped tortilla. It was oval. I think that threw my brain off. So there we have it. I probably have enough for 3 or 4 more. So, what do you think? Probably get 3 or so more out of that. So over a week. So that makes me happy, and he'll be happy he has breakfast. So, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. And stay safe, stay healthy, and take care. Bye-bye.